Hello everyone, I'm Goof Dad. I'm going to be showing you a quick way to make some nice yummy pie crust. So you can use it for your favorite pies or whatever kind of dessert you want to work with. Alright, here's what you'll be needing for this recipe. You're going to need 3 cups of flour. You need 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 sticks of butter, cold. I cut them with little chunks to make it easier. 1 beaten egg, some ice water, about 5 tablespoons, some white vinegar, which I have off to the side over here, and that's all you need for the dough itself. This is just to make some nice pie crust. You can use it for making several different items. I could talk about some of them at the end of the video. So we're going to start with, we're going to add the 1 teaspoon of salt to the, I already have the 3 cups of flour in the bowl, as you see. 1 teaspoon of salt. I'm going to go ahead and add the 1 tablespoon of sugar. Sprinkle it all over the place, make it easier. I'm going to go ahead and mix that together. Get it all nice and mixed throughout. Alright. Then it calls for going ahead and putting the butter in here. Like I said, normally there's different items you can buy that you can help work this in. I do not have any of these items. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in and work it with my hands. It'll get a little bit messy, but what's the point of cooking sometimes you don't get messy? Let's go ahead and squish it between the fingers. Work it all out. I'm going to keep working this until it gets like really crummy and stuff like that. Like little crumbs start forming, little nuggets, or whatever you want to call them. It's going to be a little bit different than using some of the items you can buy in the stores. But I also want to make sure that you don't have to go out and buy tools you only use for one or two things. Almost ready. I got some bigger chunks. I'm just going to keep working it a little bit more. You're mainly working so the butter kind of breaks down and mixes everything. You don't want melted butter, or else it can make things difficult. Alright, see how it has those crumbs forming on it? That's what I'm talking about right there. Okay. A little bit more. Just got some bigger chunks in here still. Alright, see how it's all crummy? Everything's all mixed together. Alright, that's when you're going to go ahead and add the beaten egg. And you can start adding the ice water. 5 tablespoons. Just add a little bit at a time. Here. 1, 2. Well, the ice out there. 3, 4, and 5. And go ahead and mix it up some more. I don't mind getting a little messy. It's a fun part of cooking sometimes. You can keep working it. If you want to make it so it's not so sticky on your hands, if you decide to use your hands, you can go ahead and add some flour to your hands to make it not stick as much. Alright, now that we got the dough all clumped up together, we're going to go ahead and put it onto some plastic wrap. Make sure it's going to be all crummy still, a little bit messy. Going to press it together more, so it makes more like a ball or something, not falling apart. Then you want to tightly wrap it with plastic wrap, nice and tight. Nice and tight. You can make it tighter than I did. I'm sure I could have made it tighter. So it's nice, tight. It doesn't have to be a perfect ball or anything. What you're going to do is you're going to put this in the fridge for 1 hour before you start using it, at least 1 hour. So there you have it. That is how you make some homemade pie crust for any of your various different desserts you want to try out. Good for, of course, pie, but also making stuff like turnovers and Pop-Tarts. I'll be doing more videos showing you different ways to use that pie crust later down the road. I'll be posting them in my YouTube. So if you want to see those videos, feel free to hit the subscribe button below, hit the little bell so you see when they come on, and then just sit back and enjoy. If any of you have any questions, you can always drop in the comments below, and I'll try to answer anything I can. Or if you have any tips or tricks for me to make my time a little bit easier too, I gladly appreciate it. Just drop any information down in the comments below, and I'll read it and try to get back to you. If you want to see any other kind of stuff down the road in videos, drop in my comments or message me. You can go to my Twitch account at twitch.tv/goofdad86. I put in that also down the link below. And you can go and see my videos, talk to me in person. I'm on every Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Sunday on Twitch at various different times. My schedule is on my Twitch page. So feel free, you can hop on there, talk to me live, chat with me. Every Wednesday and Sunday I do cooking streams, so you can come watch me and talk to me about whatever I'm cooking or any kind of food ideas you want. Like I said, hit that subscribe button below, hit the little bell so you know when I'm posting new material, and just sit back and enjoy. Thank you very much, and have a goofy day.